Today we are going to solve the differential equation by using method of separation of variable. So let me introduce you what is the method of separation of variable. As you can see from here, gy dy by dx equals to fx. This will be the question given in this form. And only this form we can use the method of separation of variable. So step 1, we are going to arrange it with the same term, which is gy with dy and fx with dx. Then step 2, we will integrate for both sides. So now let's go to the question, which is x to the power of 3 dy by dx equals to 2y. This form is the same form that I mentioned just now. So what we need to do, we need to separate it first. For this case, I recommend you to separate it even though it's not in the same form to avoid any mistakes. So x to the power of 3 will be with dy first, then equals to 2y dx. After this, we will separate it and become 1 over y dy equals to 2 over x to the power of 3 dx. Well, you may ask, why 2y cannot just move it to dy? Okay, why we need to left the 2 at the side of dx? Because at the side of y, I want to make it more simpler. So I will just move y only. So as you can see, it will become integrate 1 over y dy equals to 2 integrate 1 over x to the power of 3. I move out the constant 2 to make the question more simpler to solve. So you will see, if we integrate 1 over y, it will become ln y. And don't forget, after you integrate, there will always be a constant behind, which is ln y plus c1 equals to negative 2 over 2 times 1 over x to the power of 2 plus c2. So 1 over x to the power of 3 is actually x to the power of negative 3. Okay, then x to the power of negative 3 plus 1 will be x to the power of negative 2 dy 2. So as you can see from here, it will become negative 1 over x to the power of 2. Okay, we will move all the constants c into one side. So from here, you can see that c1 will move to the side of c2. So we will assume that c equals to c2 minus c1. So we need to find the general solution. We need to make sure the y is just y only. So what we need to do to clear the ln y is to multiply exponential on both sides. Then, okay, exponential and ln when multiplied, it will eliminate and become y. So on the other side, the exponential will multiply negative 1 over x squared plus c. So you can see here y equals to exponential negative 1 over x to the power of 2 times exponential c. Why is times? Because in the logarithm law, when exponential to the power of a plus b, it will become exponential a multiply exponential to the power of b. So in order to make it more simplified, the answer, we'll make it c equals to exponential to the power of c. So the answer will become y equals to c multiply exponential to the power of negative 1 over x to the power of 2.